Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about Canada tax indexation for 2023 and 2024. If you're new to my channel, I talk about financial literacy, personal finance, investing, emergency fund, all those fun stuff. I know it's always boring, but I try to add value as much as I can. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please comment for what you think. Subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's get started. So what is Canada tax indexation? So if you are in Canada, I'm from Canada, so you would agree with me. I'm hoping. If not, please comment. In Canada, the taxes are so high. Let's face it. Okay. But one good thing about Canadian government is they understand that Canadian pay higher taxes. At least that's my understanding. Therefore they have put in a measure where the federal income as well as the provincial income brackets would account for the inflation. So that is essentially Canada tax indexation. So when I say account for inflation, let's say every year at the starting of the year, CRA announces the tax indexation rate. So let's say for simplicity purposes, let's say 5%, right? So and if your income is anywhere between 100 to 120, that means the lower end 100 would be indexed to 5%, and then 120 times 5%, that would be the higher end. Now over the years, if you look at 2020, the tax indexation was 1.9%. 2021 it was 1%. 2022 it was 2.4%. 2023 it was 6.3%. Because between 2022 to 2023 the inflation was so high, right? So thanks to Canadian government, again they introduced 6.3%. So how does it work? So like for example, in 2022 the first 46k was taxed at 20.5%, right? Now you apply 6.3 to 46k, that would get to 49. That's how it works. So you could see right away there is a big difference between 2022 to 2023. So you could take advantage of it, right? So similarly for 2024, the CRA has announced the tax indexation, which would be 4.7 federally, and in Ontario again it would be similar, like almost like 4.7 up till 150. Okay. So up till this bracket, that indexation will account. Anywhere above, it won't apply in Ontario. But in federal level, they apply that 4.7 for all the tax brackets, right? Now, so which is like once you index, you can see some people can take advantage of it, right? But now, what is the best way to take advantage of this tax indexation and pocket more money? So let's say, for argument sake, again, let's say if you are earning anywhere between 100 to 120, for example, let's say 110, right? So let's say if you're somewhere between somewhere here 110, you would be paying 43.44%, right? Which is quite a bit. Now imagine if you have some room in RRSP to contribute, let's say like $4,000. If you contribute that, right away you come into this tax bracket. That means you offset your tax bracket by even 6% more, which is a very good thing. So you can take that money, you can pay high interest debt or invest some of those, or save. If you don't have an emergency fund, you can save for it, or you can spend some valuable time with your family. You can take them to a trip, or you can spend on yourself. You can buy that gadget that you've been longing for. You could see like there are ways to take advantage of it, right? So the indexation gives some advantage where you can pocket some money, but on top of it, you can you can also further use some of these ways, like either by investing in RRSP, or if you are in Canada, like, depending upon your professional. So let's say I'm an engineer, okay? So if I have to get some certification, I can claim that expenses against my tax. So let's say any engineering certification would cost, let's say I want to do a cyber security certification, it costs me anywhere between 4 to, let's say, 10 grand. I could write that off, and then right away 110, if I write off that 10 grand, that would put me even in this tax bracket, let's say 33%, which is a great thing, right? So, and you take that money, excess money that you get, you pay your high interest debt, invest or save for your emergency fund, or spend your valuable time with your with your family, or spend on yourself. So I hope you like this video. I hope it added value to you. If you think it added value to you, please like that like button. Comment for what you think. If you don't agree with me, or if you have any suggestion, comment for what you think. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and share my video so that it gets to many people who may not be aware of this information. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time.